And in today's video, we will see how to change ASUS laptop display color, the color profile, night light and calibration. So the method 1, you can change the color profile. Press Window plus S and type color management and then open it. Then select your ASUS display from device list. Then check the box, use my settings for the device and then click add. And then choose a color profile like sRGB. Then click set a default profile and press the close button. In the method 2, you can turn on the adjust night light. So you can simple here press Window plus I to open the settings, then click system and then display, then turn on night light and then click night light again to adjust the strength slider. Then set a schedule if you want it to turns on automatically. After that, in the method 3, you can calibrate the display color. So press Window plus S and type calibrate display color. Then click the option and press next. Then adjust the gamma using the slider. And then adjust brightness and contrast. Use your laptop keys if needed. Then adjust color balance slider like red, green, blue. And click finish to save the new calibration. Goodbye.